All right, which one are we going for next?
What do you think? This one? No, hey, Wes. What if we just inside the pool down, tie it, and then everybody go at it? Because it won't.
Dude, it
We'll
was
have that whole branch going.
Yeah.
See, we'll be tied at this joint, and it's sturdy there.
All right.
Redneck Tree trimming.
What is this crazy reverse from?
Nah, that ain't gonna work, man.
Hang on, if I hoist you up, pull it down that way. Well, I'm hoist you up, grab that, and kind of like pull that way when you come down. No, I'm gonna hoist you up and grab this.
Hey, Wes, go get your girl real quick. Redneck Tree trimming. All right, is that anchored?
Yeah.
All right. Hang on, we gotta get another camera guy out here.
Oh, Miss Joy! Come on, we need a cameraman! Miss Joy!
Oh my God, this is gonna suck. Dude, quit. Quit. Here, Joy. All right, hang on, guys, hang on. Here. It's already on, it's already recording. Wait, let me get on the anchor.
Oh, we should get him the harness, dog, and have him walk back.
Oh, it's going.
What brought this on?
No, do it.
Go.
Yeah!
Yes!
That's not a workout.
Why are y'all doing this?
Backyard tree trimming. What you talking about, Cletus?
No, this is going to be our commercial.
Jesus Christ. Here.
We get it down anyway.
Give me a rope and a log. Pretty good.
Got Wesley.
David.
David.
Here's the deal, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. All right, which one are we going for next? Are you even going to get one?
You want to go for that
Dude, get that little piece of shit one right here.